Here we can see one story that Altaf, the wholesaler dealer in the city. Altaf is one of the wholesaler dealer who purchase in bulk and business. His business starts around 2 o'clock in the morning when the vegetable reaches in the market. This is the time when the vegetable market or the mandi starts busy with the activity. The vegetables come in the tracks. Then matados and the tractors trolleys and from farms both near and far. So soon the process of auction begin. So the vegetable sellers, the one of Altaf is a vegetable wholesale dealer of the city, and his day is starting, means his business is starting by 2 o'clock, and that much early morning he get up and come to the market. And when people are coming with vegetable from different parts, what they are doing, they are auctioning, they are calling like this 25 kg for this much and like that, and they will get it. And after that what he will do, he will sell to the retail shopkeeper when they are coming and collecting it. And the retail shopkeeper will come to the roadside or as a hawker or in a permanent shop, and we will go and purchase it. So what we were seeing the market as a chain. So the things, it is starting from the farm. It is for example, this is the farms, the from the farm it is starting, or in other place also. If we are purchasing some collecting some the things, that is vegetables and other things, we will get it starting from the farms. We are it is starting from farm area. If you are purchasing some vessels like aluminum vessel, or we are purchasing silk sari like that things, again it is the vessels we are getting from it is starting from the mine area. It may be mining area, it may be what we can say iron vessels, or this aluminum vessels, or we can see even the mud vessels, pots and other things like that. Different vessels we are used to purchase. So all these things starting from the mining area. So the farmers, they are cultivating something. We will take the example of sugar cane. The farmer who is cultivating the sugar cane, they will send to the factories for what, that in between also so many traders are there. They are sending to the factories to make sugarcane or jaggery. So the from the farmer, the one of the wholesaler collector, he will collect and he will send to the factory. The farmer is not directly going to the factory normally. The traders, they will come and take it from the farmer, and they will send to the factory. Then factory people, they will process it, and they will produce many things, many byproducts. They will get sugar, surely that is one of the product. Jaggery is another one product that is common, sugar and jaggery. Many other things we are getting, the like sugar, like this sucrose is the, that is another one byproduct of sugar. And that is, they are directly selling to the big factories, like those who are making for example Britannia factory or Coca-Cola factory, Pepsi factory. They are collecting from the this sugar factory. The next byproduct is a liquid waste, that we will call it molasses. We will call it molasses. From molasses again we are making many other products, and for the purpose, the same company, they will process or they will send to other factories. Again comes the last byproduct. It is the waste of that one, that is the sugar cane. When they are crushing and making collecting the juice, then the stem will be the stem that may be in the powder form, that will be the way as a waste it is coming. With that stem or that particles of the stem, they are making many things that may send to the factories where we are making the boards and cardboards. In they are sending this stem waste is sending to the factories who are making plywoods or boards like that. That is one purpose. Sometimes the same factory, they will burn it, that waste will burn it and boiling the water, and like that with the help of steam engine they are producing electricity. They are producing electricity in the same factory. That is one chance. One chance to send to the other factories who is making the cardboards, then boards, and then the what we can say plywoods, like that. Like that many materials for making some materials, it is we can use it. Some other factories, what they are doing, they are collecting this waste and making the compost, and they are selling to the farmers again. Like that, many many byproducts we are getting, sucrose, then molasses, and the stem waste. Like that, all these things they are making taking to the they can make different products from that, and that also they are making use nowadays. So we know the in the chain it is starting from the farmer, it is starting from the farmer, and this same farmer maybe comes as a consumer, it is reaching to the consumer. In between many people are there, we will call them traders. It may be collecting the sugar cane to the factory, the person, and who is giving the from where our neighborhood shopkeeper collecting from the wholesale dealer. Like that, many people are involved in that. All together we will call it traders, and it is the service sector or tertiary sector according to what we studied. Primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. We are having like that three sectors. Primary sector, it is direct what they are doing, and secondary sector, the factories what they are making, they are from the raw material they are making the finished product, it is known as secondary sector. Then the tertiary sector, that is the service sector, that the transporters, traders, they are doing for us. So like that, many sectors are involved in that to get things to our home as a consumer. By this we are stopping here, and tomorrow we will next day we will continue the same chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.